Many people don't realize this, and it's rarely talked about, but after the age of 60, slowing eyesight and mental fatigue are not always just a natural result of aging. In many cases, they are linked to small but frustrating changes that happen in daily life. Like waking up in the morning with blurry vision, needing several minutes before things appear clear, walking into a room and forgetting why you went there, or feeling eye strain, dryness, and mental heaviness after only a short time looking at a phone or screen. These experiences are very real, and simply blaming them on age can sometimes cause us to overlook important factors. Research suggests that many adults over 65 have deficiencies in key nutrients that the body needs at night, when the brain organizes memories and the eyes recover from daily strain. When the body doesn't get enough of these nutrients, the natural repair process is not as effective, which can affect both vision and mental sharpness over time. That's why today we're going to talk about natural juices that are considered especially beneficial for supporting eye health and brain function. And in this video, we'll explore them in detail. So let's get started. Number 1, carrot juice. One of the most overlooked yet incredibly beneficial juices is carrot juice, which directly nourishes both the eyes and the brain. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a compound that the body converts into vitamin A, an essential nutrient that helps strengthen the delicate cells in the retina responsible for vision, especially in low light. When the body lacks vitamin A, problems such as night blindness, blurry vision, and dry eyes can gradually develop. At the same time, this vitamin also supports areas of the brain involved in memory, attention, and focus, which means carrot juice is not only helpful for eye health, but can also naturally support mental clarity and overnight recovery. But that's only part of the story. Carrot juice also contains 2 powerful natural antioxidants called lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect the macula, the part of the eye responsible for sharp and detailed vision. These compounds not only help prevent further damage, but may also support recovery from the oxidative stress caused by years of screen use and exposure to sunlight. When it comes to brain health, carrots also contain a natural compound known as falcarinol, which helps protect brain cells and may reduce inflammation in the nervous system. Some research has suggested that older adults who regularly consume foods rich in beta-carotene may experience improvements in memory, mental performance, and recall, particularly in individuals showing early signs of cognitive decline. In practical terms, even small improvements in memory, like remembering where you placed your keys or recalling names more easily, can make a meaningful difference in daily life. One important detail many people don't know is that the nutrients in carrot juice are better absorbed when consumed with a small amount of healthy fat. This means the benefits increase when carrot juice is taken alongside foods like a teaspoon of olive oil, a few walnuts, or a balanced breakfast that includes healthy fats. A simple way to prepare it is to juice 2 or 3 medium fresh carrots in the morning, optionally add a small piece of ginger or a few drops of lemon for flavor, and drink it with breakfast. When the body receives the nutrients it needs, the eyes often feel more comfortable, the mind feels clearer, and the day begins with greater energy and focus. Number 2, spinach juice. Spinach is one of the most overlooked foods in the world. Yet it is remarkably beneficial for both the brain and the eyes, and when it is consumed as a juice, its nutrients become easier for the body to absorb. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful compounds that accumulate in the central part of the eye known as the macula, the area responsible for sharp, detailed vision. As we age, the level of these protective pigments naturally declines, which makes the macula more vulnerable to oxidative stress, inflammation, and damage from ultraviolet light, often leading to problems like blurry vision and age-related macular changes. However, spinach juice does more than just protect. It may also support functional recovery. Research published in the journal Nutrients has suggested that higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in the blood are associated with improved contrast sensitivity and faster visual processing in older adults, meaning vision is not only clearer, but the brain also interprets what the eyes see more efficiently. When it comes to brain health, spinach is an excellent source of folate, an essential B vitamin involved in the production of neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin, which help regulate mood, attention, and motivation. Folate also plays a critical role in controlling homocysteine, a compound that, when elevated, is linked to damage in brain cells and a higher risk of cognitive decline. A randomized study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults with low folate levels tended to perform worse on memory and attention tests, and their cognitive performance improved when folate intake was restored through diet. Spinach also contains vitamin K, which helps maintain the structure of brain cell membranes and supports the formation of myelin, the protective sheath around neurons that allows signals in the brain to travel quickly and efficiently. The true strength of spinach juice lies in this combined effect: antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential vitamins working together to protect, nourish, and sometimes even reactivate underused neural pathways. One important point to remember is that spinach naturally contains oxalates, which in large amounts may interfere with calcium absorption and may not be suitable for people with certain kidney conditions, so moderation is key. A simple way to prepare spinach juice is to blend a large handful of fresh spinach with a green apple or half a cucumber to soften the flavor, and drink it fresh in the mid-morning or before lunch, when the stomach is neither completely empty nor too full. Even a small glass can help support clearer vision and a fresher, more alert mind. Number 3. Blueberry juice. Blueberries are considered one of the most powerful antioxidant-rich fruits in the world, and their juice can naturally support both brain function and eye health. The deep blue color of blueberries comes from compounds called anthocyanins, which not only help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, but may also support the health and communication of brain cells, helping the brain stay active and resilient over time. Research published in the Journals of Gerontology Series A has reported that older adults who consumed blueberry juice regularly for several weeks showed improvements in memory, processing speed, and overall brain activity, with imaging studies suggesting healthier patterns of brain function. Blueberries are also highly beneficial for the eyes. Anthocyanins help protect retinal ganglion cells, which play a key role in transmitting visual signals from the eye to the brain. Studies, including research published in Molecular Vision, have indicated that regular intake of blueberry compounds may help protect the structure of the eye and reduce oxidative damage associated with aging. This means blueberry juice may not only help slow changes related to vision and memory, but also support the natural repair and renewal processes that keep both the eyes and the brain functioning efficiently. For best results, blueberry juice is often recommended in the evening, about an hour to an hour and a half before sleep, when the brain begins many of its overnight restoration processes. A simple way to prepare it is to blend 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries with a small amount of water, or half a banana for a smoother texture and milder taste. Drinking it fresh in the evening can be a gentle and natural way to support clearer thinking, better visual comfort, and a more refreshed mind the next day. Number 4. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a powerful natural drink that can be especially helpful for both brain function and eye health, particularly for people who notice mental fatigue, weaker memory, or frequent eye strain. One important factor that is often overlooked after the age of 60 is healthy blood flow. Yet both the brain and the eyes depend heavily on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients carried through the bloodstream. Beets are rich in dietary nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a natural compound that helps relax and widen blood vessels in a process known as vasodilation. When blood vessels widen, circulation improves, allowing more oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to reach the brain and eyes, supporting both daily performance and overnight repair. Research published in the journal Nitric Oxide has reported that older adults who regularly consumed beetroot juice showed improved blood flow in areas of the brain associated with attention, decision-making, and short-term memory. And in several weeks, many participants demonstrated faster reaction times and improved focus. Nitric oxide also plays an important role in eye health by supporting healthy retinal blood vessels and helping reduce oxidative stress that can contribute to age-related visual changes. Studies in ophthalmology research journals have suggested that compounds in beetroot may help maintain retinal health and reduce cellular stress over time. Another interesting point is that the body can begin producing nitric oxide within about 30 minutes after consuming beetroot juice, which is why many people notice improved alertness and mental clarity relatively quickly. Preparing it is simple. Peel 1 medium raw beetroot and blend it with a small apple or half an orange to balance the flavor. Many people find the best time to drink beetroot juice is in the mid-afternoon, when energy and concentration often begin to drop, and pairing it with a short walk can further support circulation. Thank you very much for visiting the channel. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and stay healthy.